A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to my class on multiple alleles. All of you know that alleles are the alternate form of the same gene which are present on the homologous chromosomes. So, multiple alleles are more than three or more alternative form of the same gene which are occupying on the single locus on the homologous chromosome which express the single trait. Examples are eye color in Drosophila, blood group in human, and coat color in rabbit. We know the characteristics of multiple alleles are same locus in the homologous chromosome and they will not exhibit crossing over. Example of multiple alleles are blood groups in human. We already studied the codominant behavior in which both the dominant genes are expressing together, and example for that is AB blood group. For expression of the blood groups, we have two antigen in human body. This table shows us the four different type of blood groups which are caused by two antigens, A antigen and the B antigen. If A antigen is present in the red blood cell, the persons get A group, and if B antigen is present, person is having B blood group. And if both the antigens are seen in the blood group RBC, they are having AB blood group. And if none of the antigens are present, the person is having O blood group. This is the antigen and the genotype of the offspring, those who are having the A blood group, AB blood group, A like this. And if the gene for blood group is mainly denoted by isohemagglutinin, that is what this I stand for. And as we know, multiple alleles are expressed as like codominant, and A is the, we write the gene name as superscript, that is the IA. So allele from parent 1 is I superscript A, allele from parent 2, that is I superscript capital A. So the offspring will get both the A antigen, and the offspring's blood type is A. So we can give the probability of the blood group in the next generation by studying the alleles, blood group alleles in the parent. Okay, so that is what we are learning from this. And if both the antigens are absent, that is denoted here by small I from parent 1 and small I from parent 2. Offspring is having two small I, that is offspring doesn't have any antigen A or B, and hence the blood group is O. Okay, so that is regarding the blood group in human being. Like these, multiple alleles are expressed in, and they are reason for the coat colors in rabbits, bunnies. They are mainly having four different coat color, of which agouti color is the dominant one or the wild type color. Okay, and next is the chinchilla color. Their agouti color is brown in color, about brown, with the black eyes they have, and the long ears, which are prominent long ears, agouti, which is the wild type rabbit. Chinchilla. Chinchilla is having ash or blackish color, hairs on the skin. They have the eyes black, ears are prominent, and they have white pinch on the shades. They are having white pinch on the neck, nearby eyes, nose, tip of the ears, like this. Next is the Himalayan. Huh? Himalayans are white in color, but the black feet, black tips, tips are black. That is, have ears, mouth, and also they have red eye. And the more recessive is albino color. Albino is pure white in color and they have red eyes. Okay, means albinos are mainly seen in the temperate places or Himalayan or all nearby Kashmir and all. And as the temperature is very low, their color is we know the all the organism they are mostly seen in white in color, and rabbit also express the same color. And when we studied the genetic expression of them, that we found that agouti is the most wild type color, which are more dominant than chinchilla or Himalayan or albino varieties. This table denotes the genetic expression. So agouti color, which is totally brown, they are represented by capital C. And as agouti is more dominant, they can be heterozygous. In heterozygous condition also, the agouti color will express. So chinchilla, they are denoted by small c superscript ch, and Himalayan, they are denoted by small c superscript h, and albinos, they are denoted by the alleles small c. Okay, so the possible genotypes of agouti color will be both homozygous capital C, or they are dominant for the agouti color, or if they are heterozygous with the chinchilla, or capital C and small c superscript ch, they express the agouti color, or agouti color and Himalayan color, they are heterozygote for both capital C, small c, h, or they are having one recessive gene of albino, they are having the agouti color, that is capital C, small c. Because this agouti color is dominant, they express in heterozygous condition also, they express the agouti color. Scientists, when they have done these studies, they found the 3:1, that is Mendelian ratio, F2 monohybrid cross Mendelian ratio 3:1. When agouti is crossed with the Himalayan, chinchilla or albino, they found agouti is dominant because agouti is giving 3:1 ratio. Okay, 3 agouti and 1 chinchilla. Like this, if we cross agouti and Himalayan, then also we are getting 3 agouti, 1 Himalayan. And if we cross agouti and albino, we get 3 agouti and 1 albinos. Like this, if we cross chinchilla and Himalayan, okay, we get the same 3 chinchilla, 1 Himalayan ratio. And if we cross chinchilla and albino, we get 3 chinchilla and 1 albino. Like this, same for the Himalayan and albino. This study proved that the gene color for cot in rabbit, cot color in rabbit is dominant for agouti color than the chinchilla, Himalayan and albino. Thank you all for the images. I have downloaded from this link, so I am thankful to them for the images. in the internet. Thank you all.